Hey friends, time for sketch number 10 of our DSP Paper Share sketch projects. Today we're using the glorious Gingham DSP, and as you can see I picked 3 of our bright colors: Blueberry Bushel, Berry Burst, and Lemon Lime Twist. So I started by cutting off a 3/4 inch strip by 6 from each of the papers. We're only going to use the skinny strip. Okay, so those 3/4 inch strips, we're going to cut them down to 4 1/4 inches long. Now I had already pre-die cut from the Meadows die this fern looking from Lemon Lime Twist, and I die cut 3 butterflies from Berry Burst from the designer tags dies. So those are going to be our embellishments on this card. Other than that, this is our simple layers. So let's stamp our sentiment. I'm going to do heat embossing for this one today. I just wanted that bright pop on the dark blue paper. Let's see how it goes. So I stamped with Versamark, I dusted with the white emboss powder, and then I used my heat tool to heat up the emboss and get it melted down to be nice and shiny. Then I'm using the Versamark ink again, and this background stamp, I'm going to do some watermark stamping as a background stamp just to give a little bit of texture to our card base. Now here you can see I've got the bright white embossed sentiment, and then the watermark is just a background color on color texture for a little bit of added pop. Now we're going to add those 3 skinny DSP strips. I started with the Lemon Lime Twist in the center, and I used my liquid adhesive. Then I added the Blueberry Bushel and the Berry Burst on either side of those just to break up that color. I'm going to use my mini glue dots to add those embellishments. I started with the die cut Meadows, and I just positioned that on the center of my Lemon Lime Twist gingham piece. Then I used mini glue dots to add those 3 butterflies, and I tucked 2 of them kind of behind the fern to break it up a little, and then 1 right there on the top. So what do you think? Do you like project number 10? It's really simple. It only uses a little bit of DSP. Use those die cuts that you love, and you can make a lot of these. Here's a quick look at the projects I've shared so far. Here's 1 through 4, and then here's 5 through 8. And remember, they're all on my playlist on my YouTube channel. Remember, you can subscribe and you can follow the playlist, so come on back and see them again and again. As you know, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so please shop with me online to support my creative endeavors. When you do, you'll receive a card kit from me with a tutorial as a thank you, something fun for you to put together. You can always find me online at susanwebster.stampinup.net, or you can follow my blog at pumpkinhillstampers.thesearemystamps.com.